Hello, this is Ituno I. So the dataset sample that we choose is deals. So let's just run. So um, there is no missing value, so we don't need to clean anything. So the we choose payment of method. The first graph that we choose is the bar chart, specifically the column type. This is because we can see the data comparison easily. So let me just show you. Let me just rename the graph. Let's say we want to find the future customer payment method. Okay. Um, the value column would still be the same because we want to count the number, how many customers use credit cards, check, and so on. Next, we are going to group it by based on the future customer because we want to separate the future customer from not future customer choice of payment method, so we can analyze better. And the aggregation functions would still be count since we want to know the specific number for each payment method used by future customer. And lastly, the color group would be payment method. Since it is easy to differentiate, since we have three values for payment method, which is credit card, the blue one, check, the green one, and cash, the orange one. According to the legend, you can change it as well, but I'm going to stick with it. So it is separate by the future customer and the one that won't be future customer. So in this visualization, you can see that highest choice of payment method, whether they are future customer or not, is credit card, and the least one for both of them is check. So let me just show you the label so you can easily see. So we can also compare it side by side. Let's compare credit card and cash. You can see that there is slightly difference between credit card and cash at the one who won't be future customer. But if you look at future customer, there is a huge difference, 410 to 52. Okay. We can see it differently as well. Maybe this company lose customer because of this payment method, because you can see that the number of future customer use cash is low compared to the one that won't be future customer. 228. Maybe they don't accept cash as much as credit card. But that is just as an assumption. I just want to show you the chart. So overall, we can conclude that the customer preferable would be credit card, and check is the least from this chart. And the next one we choose is pie chart. We choose it because I think everyone is familiar with pie chart. It is easy to understand and easy to visualize them. Just look at this. You can quickly see without looking at the number that a lot of customers use credit card as their payment method. Look at the blue one here. Compared to cash and check. So that, I think, that is the advantage of pie chart. So let's just use another example. Let's say we want to find the average age for each payment method. Okay, so for the column value, value column, it will be age, since we want to know the average age. Then we group by the payment method because we want to separate them by the payment method that they choose based on their age. And lastly, since we want to find the average, so the aggregation function would be average. So if we can see here, the average age that use cash is 49. The one that use average age that use check is 47, and the average age that use credit card is 44. Um, we can see also the chart is divided almost equally the same. We can say that mostly the average age payment method used is those in late 40s. That's why the chart look like equally the same.
Alright, thank you, Ayn. Next, I will show you another two graphs by using payment method data and deals. So first of all, let's choose deals and connect it to the repository. Okay, and then we can run. So here, as you can see here, is the retrieve data set regarding deals. So we have future customer, age, gender, and payment method. So here we wanted to focus on the payment method data set So we go to the statistic and open visualization. So first of all, the third graph that we are going to use is line graph. So we choose here line graph. First, let me change the title first. Okay, so the title has been changed to payment method. So here, what are we going to see that there are three data in payment method, which are credit card, check, and cash. So based on the line graph, it started with credit card at 652 customers who are using credit card as their payment method, which is the highest among others. This means that currently people are using online banking as their method to pay something. When online shopping or anything, we are using online banking. So here are the reason, also one of the factors why credit card has the highest payment method use. And as you can see here, the graph has dropped by 68, which is at check, which represent the lowest used payment method by the customer. So we know that check have a very complicated procedure, which contribute to why this payment method has the lowest use, the least use among others. And the graph increased to 280 users who use cash as their payment method. So that is for the line graph. Now we move on to the last graph, which is Parliament. Okay, now we see this is the Parliament. Why we choose Parliament is because this graph is ideal to show us and to help us visualize which data has the most use and the least use. As you can see on the screen here, it obviously shows that credit card has the highest, the most used payment method, which are 652, and check has the least used payment method, which are only 68 customers who are using check as their payment method. And lastly, we have cash, which are 280 customers who are using cash as their payment method. So this is all from us. Thank you.